The pitch. And the ball game is over. For the second straight night, the Braves have walked off the Pirates in extra innings. 2-1 the final. David Ross driving in both Atlanta runs tonight.
Leroux at bat. I'm sorry. I can't get off of it. We got him 0-2. Just crushing pitches down the zone for 3 straight days. When you put it right there for him. And you just can't keep him away forever. Then David Ross, he knows Leroux throws hard. He just gets it started early. Boy, that's tough 2 games here. We've had our opportunities, couldn't cash in.
Our Day Automotive key matchup of the day, we focused on David Ross and the fact that he's been tough on the Pirates. You put a chokehold on the Bucs here tonight, wouldn't let go. 2-1 the final score. In extra innings for the second straight night. Pirates can try to split with a win tomorrow night. 1-1 the final score here tonight in Game 3.